Okay, on this video we want to show how to install BS 2120 for the Toyota Tundra and Sequoia. The first thing that you need to do is try to slip the lip first on this position. So as you can see there, then once you put the bushing like that, so you just basically need to push the bushing all the way down, and don't forget to make sure the marks on the bushing are on the right position. So we want to proceed to put the bushing all the way in right now. As you can see, after you put the bushing inside with the hand, later on with the press are just kind of easy. That's it. Okay. And let me just show you the other side of the bushing. And voila. See? So the bushing is already installed, and it's just perfect and easy.